My name's Tommy. I'm from Fairhope, Alabama. The experience has been far beyond anything I could have put expectations around. I came here primarily to deepen my practice with yoga. I had gotten the pleasure of experiencing a teacher in my hometown who had done her 300-hour training here, and knew after 4 or 5 Kriya classes that there was a lot more to yoga than I had experienced prior to that, mainly doing asana. So over the course of the summer, I made the decision to come to Sattva and experience more of this. And what I've learned primarily is that yoga is a technology for life that is meant to be carried off of the mat and into every waking moment, into a growing and evolving state for a human being. And it has been spectacular beyond anything I could have hoped for. I'm thrilled that I'm coming back for the 300-hour in a month and a half, and I cannot wait to take a lot of this technology and continue to apply it to my own life and to teach it. I've never had the opportunity to be in the presence of someone during his wisdom sessions that was so clearly connected to the field of unchanging truth. I've encountered through reading and through podcasts and different things some amazing teachers in my time, but to sit and watch the wisdom flow through him and into us, there's an alchemy that happens during the sessions that it's very difficult to put words around. Obviously, I am so much richer for the experience. The integration, I feel like, is going to take a lifetime. It's a blessing beyond compare to have gotten to meet and experience Anand. There is a lot more to yoga than the physical practice, and I would encourage anyone to come learn these tools, learn this technology, because it's a life changer. Thank you.